andito kami sa Italianes. Natatapos lang namin sa Glorieta ng Green Lantern. Okay naman, maganda, masaya.
Huwag ka maniwala in the Green Lantern. Or ever a lantern.
It's Green Lantern. Then after that, we decided namin nagpunta dito kami sa Italianes.
Then, inggit.
Then, kwentuhan, tawanan. Siyempre, nami-miss ka namin. Pero okay na. Maganda na katayan nila. Okay, simula mo patawa ng patawa. Bukas, siya ay mag-undergo na CT scan sa kanyang brain. Kasi nitupak na si mama. Yun lang anak ha.
Bye-bye.
Be happy, have fun always. Si Gigi, take care of Gigi ha. Okay.
I'm eating calamari.
Huwag mo na payakin ha.
Oh, I'm eating soup only because I'm going to Bora tomorrow.
Uy! Uy, sige, sabi mo ulit.
I'm going to Bora tomorrow, that's why I'm eating soup only. I want to feed my babies.
Uy,
I bought 2 pieces.
really?
No.